Welcome back! Today I'm going to show you how to draw Android 16. If you must know, Android 16 is one of the 5 androids created by Dr. Gero. It's true that he's not human, but he's a really powerful guy, and one of his signature attacks is Hell's Flash. And believe me, he was only designed to destroy Goku. And Goku alone. Nobody else, though. There we go. There we go. Okay, so, let's get started. Okay, if you must know, Android 16, he was a fighter he was in Dragon Ball FighterZ, and is part of the Androids team. He was reconstructed by Android 21, because, his design was based on her son's. Yes, it's true, he got destroyed a few times. But, he was also destroyed by Cell when he stepped on his head. Anyways, let's continue drawing this guy. Things are going so far, so good. Okay. We're doing great so far. We did his neck. Okay, so next up, you just gotta draw the red ribbon army sign on his body. I get good feelings we might see Android 16 again in Super Dragon Ball Heroes. After all, he is a nice guy. He's yours. But the There we go. We're almost done, folks. I found the... There we go. That's how you draw Android 16, folks. Pretty awesome, don't you think? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what other character I'll be drawing next. Till then, I bid you farewell.